Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got, then please keep watching. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into this. So I'm going to pull the ribbon. I'll show you the receipt since I ordered this online. So the receipt came in this with some return address thing. So we're going to pull this ribbon. It looks so pretty. I just got it delivered today. I'm going to turn it like this. So before I show you what bag this is, I'm going to say that I have the Neverfull in the MM size in the monogram canvas, but it's getting pretty old. I carried it every single day for work and just an everyday bag, so I wanted a new everyday tote bag and also a new work bag. So it comes in this dust bag, even though it's dirty right here. Ew, but whatever. And it's in the drawstring dust bag. And it's so pretty. It is, let me just put it up here. It is the Louis Vuitton GM On The Go tote. So this is it. It is in the reverse giant monogram. So it's regular like brown monogram on one side, giant, and then reverse giant on this side, and then you have the reverse monogram and then the regular monogram. And I love that it has the red interior and then these two bigger pockets to carry as a tote, like so. So let's see. Oh, this one was made in Italy. I don't know if you can see it in here. This is the first item that I have that's made in Italy, so that's cool. It has a big zipper pocket and then two slip pockets right here. And in the zipper compartment, it has the little care booklet. Just says Louis Vuitton. This is the item number if you want to look it up online. And then this is the little textile card that comes with all of the Louis Vuitton pieces. And I never carry these in the bags, I always leave them in the box, so I'm going to just put that, well, I'll leave it with the receipts, since I keep all of my, all of my Louis Vuitton receipts. Yeah, so I am going to be using this as an everyday tote, or for traveling, for work, anything like that. I tried this on in Vegas and I fell in love with it. It's so pretty. I love the sides of it. I love the monogram and the reverse monogram on both sides. And I love how it's like two bags in one. Like you can rock it this way or you can rock it this way. I love it. Love the versatility. I love that you can do a hand carry and then you can also do these straps. So let me tuck those in. And then you can carry it like this as well, which I think is super cute as well. And then I like how it has the little clasp where you can close it, kind of like, well, kind of. It is like the Neverfull in this way. I'm in love with it. I'm obsessed with it. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.